Hey everyone, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more editing tips and mobile video app recommendations. Today, we're counting down the top 5 video editing apps for mobile that will make your videos look professional, even on your phone. Starting off, we have CapCut, made by the creators of TikTok. CapCut is a completely free editor with powerful tools for both beginners and pros. It offers keyframing, slow motion effects, transitions, and multi-layer editing, all in a user-friendly layout. It's a great choice for anyone who wants professional features without a price tag, and it's super easy to post directly to TikTok. This is definitely the app for quick, polished videos on social media. Next is Alight Motion, ideal for advanced editing and animations on the go. Alight Motion offers vector-based editing, which lets you create complex animations and motion graphics that you typically only find on desktop software. You'll find layers, blending modes, and powerful keyframe animation tools, giving you tons of control over each element of your project. While there's a free version, the paid version unlocks more features and removes watermarks, making it perfect for creative professionals or anyone who loves detailed editing. VN, or Vlog Now, is quickly becoming a favorite among content creators. This app offers a clean, ad-free editing experience with a surprising range of pro tools for free. With VN, you can edit on a multi-track timeline, use effects like speed ramps, and add text animations. It's also great for vloggers because of its streamlined export options for various social media platforms. If you're looking for an app that delivers high-quality, cinematic results without monthly fees, VN is worth trying. Before, KineMaster. KineMaster is a longtime favorite, loaded with professional-grade tools. It's excellent for multi-layer editing, green screen effects, and advanced audio controls. You can add images, video clips, effects, and even record voiceovers within the app, making it a powerful option for more complex projects. KineMaster has both free and subscription versions, but the premium unlocks extra features and removes the watermark. It's perfect for users who want to create high-quality videos with full creative freedom. 5. Adobe Premiere Rush. Finally, Adobe Premiere Rush rounds out our list. This app gives you pro-quality edits with an intuitive timeline interface, color grading, and audio tools. One of its biggest strengths is its seamless integration with Adobe's Creative Cloud, so you can easily start a project on your phone and finish it on Premiere Pro on your desktop. Premiere Rush is subscription-based, but worth it for anyone looking for a serious mobile editor backed by Adobe's expertise. So, which one are you most excited to try out? Drop your favorite in the comments, and if this list helped you, don't forget to like and share.